we are going to be playing Camping 2, and we're on this boat here, and it's gonna go off into the distance over there. So yeah. Okay, but we're going into the fog now. So here we go. Why is the screen not entirely? Welcome to Terry Park. I'm the Park Ranger Daniel, and I'll be one of the Keep an eye out for useful items along the way. Oh, I see. We're on top of the... Gotta follow Daniel. And he's pushing me right now. Directly to there. Okay. Welcome to the cabin. Tonight, half of you will sleep here. Amazing. Marty's bunk bed! And now Daniel made us follow him to the bathroom. And then we have a very realistic Roblox mirror right here. It's like Goofy Avatar. So the lights just broke out. What? No! Okay, I mean, at least I was still alive. I'll claim that for myself, guys. That's a good sign, that's a good sign. So now he's done with the forest tour. So we're able to just go around wherever we want now, for now. Oh my... Taco Bell. We can't even use these! Okay, so night is approaching, and now we're gonna have to split into two groups. So I hope that all my friends are with each other. I really hope so. Please. Okay, I have USA right here. But Chris is gone. He's not here. That's... No. We're cooked. What is this place? This is like a really bad camping spot. So, Wilkers is saying run. But I don't know what we're running from since I don't really remember this game. Oh! Oh, no. Get away from that. Is it still following us? Oh, it's still over there. He's coming? Oh, no. We're all tucked in this tiny space. Let's be friends. And this close. Anyone outside is dead. Sorry. Someone tried to open the door, but it looks like it was just Park Ranger Daniel. So he's safe, thankfully. Why are these camping players so freaky? So it's not nighttime anymore. The sun has risen again. And we're gonna find Park Ranger Daniel. Oh, look, he's right here. He's missing a leg! Where? Oh. Why is he doing that, though? Freaky oppos. Okay. I just know what he actually robbed. Good. What? We are able to die if we fall in. Those are kind of long jumps. Oh, so you just get back to the beginning. I really don't know. We're gonna have to go back. Okay, I made it. Everyone's lagging so much. Yay! S'mores! S'mores! You are not me. Gaping hole right there. And nighttime is approaching. Wait, is the cabin up right here? No, I think that's just the bathroom. No, why are we all in my camp? So where we just got attacked. Raining. I lost health, dang it. Never mind. Bro, what? So the raining is over, but our fire is dead. Dry wood. Oh, I remember this part. Okay. Gotta get like either 5 or 10 pieces of fire. Yeah. Right here. 1. Watch out for traps. Okay. Oh no, that's a trap. That thing like shoots arrows. Yep, it's shooting. It's shooting. Oh! Gotta look around every single tree. Turn back. Okay. Please, no traps. You wanna get back here safely? Okay. Okay. I'm on fire now. We just hitchhiked on top of a mountain. It's an explosive? What? Wait, where is it at? Oh, there's more traps still. I can hear it. It's like super far away though. There's more. Like food points or whatever. What? I know, it's a trap. So there's mines. And the miners must have set up bombs. And now they're being activated again. So, no, that's not good. This person has a gun. And what's... No! What? Are they gonna shoot Park Ranger Daniel? Hell yeah! Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Oh my. Well, that's good for them, I guess. Well, I guess they didn't shoot it, so I don't know then. I don't know. Can't believe you're trying to kill me. So now for the night, we're going in this hole, and directly above us is the rain. So who thought this would be a good idea? And why is there a conveniently placed, differently colored rock right here? That's confusing. Okay, so we just escaped from a like a maze, and now we found snakes. Oh no! Wait, there's more. There's more. We just went through a flood escape, and now the creepy prawn man has come back.
Let's be friends.
So,
Let's put. I love. Let's be friends.
Sure. Don't you know? Do you know who I am? Wait, you're Zach Nolan from the first game. Oh! People say you're the reason Specky Words was left haunted. That's right, I'm the man who killed a family of 5 in Specky Words, and now I'm coming to kill you. Not the whole family. Oh! Wait, what happened to the leg? The leg. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. So why is their head so far from their body? Oh, I got a badge. I must have never gotten it before. Okay, cool. I think it has been continued. And there goes back to the lobby.